Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well, and today I have one Kia Rio. This car have a problem P0748, which is common fault all the Hyundai accent and Kia Rio. Pressure control solenoid valve electrical a electrical fault, and in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, so what is the problem is car gear stuck in third gear when drive mode, third gear stuck, and then when put reverse jerking, that's the problem, and this is the fault code. So actually this problem is not gear, it's actually problem in engine ECM. So now I remove engine ECM and I will show you how to repair it. Okay, you can see I already remove engine ECM. Okay, remove ECM cover, and here is the fault. All those three capacitor are damaged, so remove it and then fix it new another one. Okay, then it will work perfectly. Now I will show you. I remove it. Here you can see I already replaced capacitor. Okay, fix it engine ECM and check now. Transmission, trouble code, there is no fault code, and if I put reverse, there is no jerking. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.